Hi everyone, I'm Shuliang. Hi everyone, I'm Shuliang. I'm at the scene of the in 2018. This year, Richard Miller's, the most eye-catching model, is especially for Argentine polo player Pablo, designed for one of the RM053. In fact, Richard Mille 6 years ago helped this player made this RM053. But at that time, the design, because polo is one of the most intense sports in the world, during the competition, there are many intense collisions. So, in the original RM053, it was actually, you can look for its photos. On the watch case, only two very small windows were retained. Most of the structure was, in a very complete way, is wrapped and protected. But Richard himself thinks that the second time to create this, for the polo-themed watch, he hoped to achieve a goal, is to see it more thoroughly. The very complete movement. So, in this watch, it has several patented technologies. The first and most important innovative patent is that the sapphire crystal we see now is very crystal clear, but in fact, it uses an innovative technology of there are two pieces of sapphire crystal, 1.1 mm thick sapphire crystal, which are combined together. The coating in the middle is with a thickness of 0.2 mm, so the sapphire crystal part is a total of 2.4 mm. Even if it is subjected to more than 500 or even 5,000 gs of G-force impact, it won't break. Even the watchmaker tried to hit it with a hammer, and found that after breaking it, the fragments will not be scattered, and there will be no fragments falling into the movement. This is an innovative technology. In addition, it also continues several. The sharp pin is not as straight as the pin. The technological innovation in recent years, including the case, is made of TPT carbon fiber. Its feature is that it combines the carbon fibers layer by layer in a vertical and staggered 45-degree manner, and then through high-temperature heating and polymerized, so it can not only achieve a very light but also very strong and durable. On the surface of the watch, you can see very irregular texture. This is a feature of its TPT carbon fiber material. In addition, in the movement part, this time, it continues the previous technology in the RM. The watch's suspension movement technology, you can see in this. Around the tourbillon movement, there is a very complex steel cable structure, which are used to fix the movement, even if it withstands a very large impact, shock or impact force. It will not be affected by this, the impact of stones. It has a good buffering effect. But if you compare it with the previous 027 or the later model 056, you can find that this time the difficulty of making the steel beam structure is much higher than before. And in terms of details, its steel cables are also thinner. Each one is only 27 mm thick, which is much thinner than before. And in terms of assembly, it will be more difficult. This year, the combination of various technologies making this watch not only very lightweight and durable but also has a tourbillon function. Moreover, even if it is subjected to a huge impact, such as polo, it can also survive, ensuring that in any situation, it can remain intact and sturdy. It's currently limited to 30 pieces worldwide. It is said that there will be one in Taiwan in the future, but I believe it should be in the second half of the year. The price is about 29 million Taiwan dollars. I think many complex and innovative watch enthusiasts, a watch that they would like to know. This time, I recommend it to everyone.